on more often.
Yes.
Come winter, there's rarely a shortage of boots in the stores, but how many of them can you wear in the wet, slushy snow?
Well, finding stylish and functional boots is easier than you would think, and I got a look at the best celeb-worthy snow boots from Us Weekly. So it is slushy, it is wet, it is dirty outside, so you think you have to sacrifice style for comfort, but that is not true. Sasha Morrison, fashion director at Us Weekly, is going to show us the ropes when it comes to bad weather and shoes.
You know, I always come to Chucky's because it's the place to be.
These are shoes that you can actually wear outside and wear to function.
That's true. It's something that you can look refined and elegant, and you can look chic at the same time.
Okay, so you remember the moon boots. These are the original moon boots, right?
They're so major because they're very slim, and they look like you could do this thing like day to night.
I love these two. These are actually Castanier.
I love that this comes in gray,
Yeah.
and it has like the bronze little eyelets, and I think it's just something really different.
It's casual enough, but it has that extra little something with the wedge.
Hunter boots are really hot.
Yeah.
I mean, let's face it, everybody loves a Hunter boot. The problem before was that you were freezing.
Right.
The great thing that Chucky's has now that Hunter makes are these liners. You can wear your rubber boots, or you can upgrade and get a new rubber boot and put the liner in, and your toes aren't that cold.
These I like a lot too. This is Hunter too.
Hunter too, with a wedge. Another type of cubicle to cocktail boot, so you could wear it in the office, and then you could wear it to a party.
These boots are kind of like no matter where you're going, you can make it there in these boots.
That's right. It's Sorel. This is heavy duty. I love the fact that it's got the fake fur on the top. They are so warm, you keep completely dry. It's like the perfect boot.
These are the little celebrity tidbit here. You've seen these in Us Weekly.
Yes, they're Jimmy Choo, and they did a collaboration with UGG. These are not recommended for this type of weather where it's slushy because they're going to get wet.
Right, and you're going to ruin them.
That's right. So these will be your fashion boots.
Now I can look cute and comfortable in this terrible weather. Sasha, thank you very much.
Thank you.